Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we were going to create another custom hook in React. This time we'll create a useClipboard hook. This hook helps us copy text to the clipboard and track its status. If you haven't seen my previous video on creating the useNetwork status hook, make sure to check it out on my channel. Let's get started. Okay, open our project and first let's clean our code. Okay, and now we can create new file with our hook. Create new file and call this file useClipboard. Okay, add extension JS, and now we need two React hooks, useState and useCallback. Import these hooks. First import useState and also useCallback. Okay, and now we can start creating our hook, but first let's copy name our file and create new variable. Call this variable using name our file. Okay, and create function. This function won't take any arguments, and now we need to create state text is copied or not. Create new const and create our state. Okay, also do set and correct first letter and delete this word. Okay, and now we can call our useState. It will be boolean state and default we can add false. Okay, next let's create copy to clipboard. Create new variable and we can copy name our hook but change first word. Let's write it down, copy to. Okay, and next we need to use in our useCallback hook. Using our useCallback, and we need to create function. This function will be take one argument, our text. Okay, and also we need to create array with dependents. We don't have any dependents and our array can be empty. Okay, and now create condition. If navigator clipboard, we need to use in our navigator and clipboard method write text. And here we can add our text, and like you remember, this method works like promise, and we can use in constructor then catch. Create then, and if then will be work, we need to change our is copied state. We can using set is copied and our state will be true. Also using set timeout, and next we need to switch off our state. Again using set is copied, and now let's add false. Okay, and at time we'll be using 2000. Okay, our condition is ready, and next we need to create else. You can return some mistakes, but I'll do something more simple. I using console error and print some error. Create console error. And let's writing some text like clipboard API not supported. I think it will be very clearly answer because some legacy browser doesn't support this functionality. Okay, and our hook is ready, and next we need to return our state and our function. We'll be using object, and first return our state and next return our function. Copy to clipboard. Okay, our hook is ready, and next let's export our hook. Okay, now let's see how we can use this hook in our React component. Again, open our app component. Next, let's create some state like text, and also add set text, call use state, but won't forget to import this hook from React, and also create some text like hello world. Okay, our state is ready, and next let's, using our hook, create new variable, and like you remember, our hook will return object, and we can use in destructurization. First get our state and next get our function. Okay, and call our hook. Okay, everything almost ready, but now let's create some markup. We can create text area or input, it doesn't matter. I'll be using text area, and add value our text. Also create on change and using our set text. Get event, target and value, but also add event like argument, and correct this mistake. Okay, our text area is ready, and next let's create button. Will be listen event on click, and when people will be click on our button, will be call our function copy to clipboard, and add our text like argument. Okay, and also create some text inside our button. We can write copy text. Okay, and also let's print our state. Create condition if is copied will be true. We'll print paragraph and text copied. Okay, and now let's look at the window. Here's our text area and here's our button. Let's try to copy text. Like you see, we get message, and let's try to pass this text. Like you see, our hook works, and let's try to add something else, like here is my text, and let's try again. Now remove this text and let's pass. Like you see, our hook is work, and today we created a custom useClipboard hook to copy text to the clipboard and track its status. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to not miss new videos. See you in the next lesson.